Look, guys, I'm going to start with Bart on this and same with Joe and Angie then. You guys are member of this franchise, of Hands-On Diagnostics franchise, okay? You got your educational part, you got all of the other supportive services that the franchise provides to you, and you are part of a community of professionals, physical therapy professionals, where we are really trying to change here the physical therapy profession. What has been your experience and the support you have received from all of us, the administration of the franchise? Just speak to that.
This has really been a phenomenal educational experience for, I think, all of our practitioners that have gone through HODS. One of the things that I think is absolutely critical when PTs take a step towards diagnostics and improving our profession is that the level of mentorship support has to be at just the highest level. Otherwise, we could step out there and provide some diagnostic reports that would be subpar, sub-level. Can't do that. And that's the thing that HODS always supports at the highest level, is that I've got a mentor that's going to go through each of this in the learning stages throughout the residency program. That's going to help me to never put out a bad product 100% of the time. Even if there's been times where I get a mentor that I'm going through something, and Joe, you may have had this too, where they, what were you thinking? You didn't take this through all the steps here. I need you to pull that patient back in and redo something here because we don't make a bad product. And that's okay. You eat a little humble pie in the learning process. That's all right. But what's really critical is that HODS, both from an administrative process and from its mentorship, just has just a grade A educational process that I haven't found anywhere else.
Thank you. And how about you guys?
I can talk on the mentorship, and Angie can talk on the administrative. I agree completely with Bart. I mean, on mentorship level, you are going to get, they're going to reinforce what you're doing good, but they're also going to tell you what you need to improve on. They're going to break you down a little bit just to say, but again, it's because this is the future. This is what we're trying to bring to however many, therapists that aren't doing this in the future. We're bringing something new in. So this first line of us coming through need to be spot on. So, again, reinforcing the good, but also going to, tell you when you're not doing something right. So I agree.
Awesome.
Yeah. So from the whole team in general, I've even had, a lot of connections with the mentors, the clinical mentors as well. It's just, it is a family. And that's what I think makes this whole thing work as well as it does, because, as Bart can attest to, as well as all of our partners, we're all in this to be a mom and pop family oriented business at the end of the day, right? Mm-hmm. That's how we do business. And that's the same way that HODS does business with us. As you guys all can imagine, Demi is a very, very, very busy man. Very busy man. But anytime that I need him, I text him. He always responds. He always replies, and he always has our back. Whether I'm complaining to him about something or I just need extra help with something, he's always there. And that speaks volumes, because any of you that know Demi and everything that he does, he's there to serve everybody, and it's amazing.
Yep. Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you.
And you know what? And it's not just at you, Demi. It's what you kind of lead and everybody below you. Because again, on the mentorship level, I mean, I can text John Lugo and I can text Mohini, and she's going to get right back to me. And I've texted them early in the morning. I've texted them late at night. I've been in the middle of a test, and I've texted them, and they're right on it. So they truly do care. 100% about, they're not, who's this again? No, they're on it. They're, so your leadership though, goes all the way down, with everybody. So we appreciate that.